Hey guys, so if you're thinking about buying the LG C3 or you're thinking about buying the Sony A80J, now I just want to make this like a quick video based on the things that I researched from other people, from the reviewers. So it's like when you're gonna look here, the LG C3 is completely dominating the Sony. Even when you look on the other people that like bought on both of the things, like the usage, then also the TV shows, the sports, the video games, the HDR movies, HDR gaming, and even the PC monitor. This like site, the ratings.com, is really amazing for the reviewers and like actually checking the products. So in this regards, it's just really good. I mean, yes, the Samsung is great, but you just have to be aware of is that the brightness and everything is just going to be better for the LG. So we even want people on Reddit that had, so they even said that it's like really good to have it. Therefore, what I would recommend is definitely go with the LG based on reviewers, based on other people's opinions. If you're thinking about both, I just want to make this quick video. Maybe it's going to be like completely useless for you. Just be aware that the LG, based on the stats and everything, is just better. Have a great day and goodbye.